Warsaw, the capital city of Poland, endured extensive destruction during World War II, leaving behind ruins that stood as stark reminders of the city's tragic past. Scope of destruction. The devastation inflicted upon Warsaw during the war was immense, with large parts of the city reduced to rubble by bombing raids and street-to-street fighting. Pre-war Warsaw. Pre-war prosperity. Before the outbreak of World War II, Warsaw was a vibrant cultural and economic center, known for its beautiful architecture, thriving industries, and rich history. Cultural heritage. Warsaw boasted numerous landmarks and cultural institutions, including the Royal Castle, historic Old Town, and the renowned Warsaw University. War and destruction. Nazi occupation. In September 1939, Nazi Germany invaded Poland, leading to the brutal occupation of Warsaw and the imposition of harsh measures against the city's residents. Warsaw Ghetto. The Nazis established the Warsaw Ghetto, confining hundreds of thousands of Jews in overcrowded and deplorable conditions, leading to widespread suffering and death. Uprising. The Warsaw Ghetto Uprising of 1943 and the Warsaw Uprising of 1944 were valiant attempts by the Polish resistance to defy Nazi oppression, but both ultimately ended in defeat and further devastation for the city. Post-war reconstruction. Human cost. The toll of the war on Warsaw was staggering, with an estimated 85% of the city's buildings destroyed and over 800,000 residents killed, injured, or displaced. Rebuilding efforts. Despite the immense challenges, the people of Warsaw were determined to rebuild their city from the ruins and restore it to its former glory. Architectural plans. Urban planners and architects devised ambitious plans for the reconstruction of Warsaw, incorporating elements of both historical preservation and modern urban design. Old Town reconstruction. One of the most remarkable achievements of Warsaw's reconstruction was the restoration of the historic Old Town, which was meticulously rebuilt using original plans and materials. Cultural revival. Efforts were made to preserve and restore Warsaw's cultural heritage, including the reconstruction of historic landmarks, museums, and cultural institutions. Challenges and resilience. Material shortages. The reconstruction of Warsaw faced significant challenges, including shortages of building materials, manpower, and financial resources. Socio-economic impact. The war and subsequent reconstruction had profound social and economic consequences for Warsaw's residents, many of whom had lost their homes, livelihoods, and loved ones. Resilience and determination. Despite the hardships, the people of Warsaw displayed remarkable resilience and determination in rebuilding their city and preserving its heritage. Legacy and remembrance. Symbol of resilience. The reconstruction of Warsaw stands as a symbol of resilience and determination in the face of adversity, inspiring future generations to overcome challenges and rebuild after devastation. Memorials and commemoration. Warsaw's ruins serve as powerful memorials to the victims of war and genocide, reminding visitors of the city's tragic past and the importance of remembrance.